Alright, guys, we're starting. So, on number 9, we want an equation, x, y, z. Okay. It goes through 217 and parallel to L, the original equation. So, 217, we can use that as like our starting point.
Wait, what are we at?
Oh, wait, can
Actually, when we did this stuff, I don't think
we should be on 8, actually. I forgot we were going to do evens and stuff together too, so we're on 8.
Oh, we're on 8.
Yeah.
Okay, number 8. Okay, A is blank, B is blank. Find the length of AB. So, how do we find the length from the distance between those 2 points? Distance formula.
But you just add another one for
Yeah, it's basically this thing, but we're in 3 dimensions, so you have to add the 3rd dimension. So, that's how you find the length. So how about everybody try and plug in number 8, see if we can get it. And then go ahead and do the midpoint formula too. Midpoint formula is the same thing, it's just got a 3rd coordinate, the z coordinate. Who's got books?
I always keep mine in my backpack. Listen, I know it doesn't sound believable.
I remember Algebra 1, Brady, and you had like 3 of my books.
That was fun.
Bethany was always the culprit this year.
It's true.
She just loves to learn so much.
Bethany, you're about to graduate.
That's why I bring the book and
That's crazy.
Oh,
I'll tell you, I did nothing.
I was wondering why. I was wondering why I couldn't figure out the question, but I was looking at the wrong number 8. I was looking at the other page.
Yeah, it's not a question.
What? Oh, I'll still pass.
No,
What the heck? She just randomly said that.
Did we find distance
I said,
Oh,
oh,
you're about to graduate.
You have to graduate.
no,
And I was
how do
like,
you feel
I
about
don't-
graduating?
She doesn't want to be a senior with you next year.
Yeah.
You guys have to help you for another math class.
I don't think I'd be the one helping her.
You won't even be in a math class next.
Yeah, but I don't know.
4, negative 6.
I have the answers.
0, negative 2, negative 5, 7. Did I copy it right?
I didn't.
4, negative 6, 0, negative 2, negative 5, 7. I did it.
This is the one thing I feel confident
That is not what I got.
Did I get it wrong?
I mean, I think it just
62
simplifies.
simplifies into
You got 262?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
Well, 2 square root of 62.
144.
What? Oh, 62?
2 square root of 62.
I think this.
He said 262.
I think it just simplifies.
Oh, I thought you said square root of 262.
No, 2
So
square root
it's
of
2 square root of 62.
Yeah.
We don't have one in the Do we have one in the Yeah, but
I'm the king of this.
Okay, did you guys already find the midpoint?
Yes.
Yay or nay? So midpoint
The
is
door. Mr. Zimmer. I mean,
4 plus negative 6 divided by 2. Don't be late.
I didn't know what to say.
you said
I just said
I
that.
was like, I love Brady wasn't having like a genuine.
Brady, I got the perfect answer for you.
You know.
Right there. If you ever go to the just, yes ma'am.
I'm imagining Brady like at 8 o'clock in the morning. He's like,
Oh, that's how I was. I did not have
He
it.
was like, oh
I'm
Sorry.
You like try to make it feel like try to make you feel better by saying, "I already talked to the rest of them." You didn't yell at us though.
Why is
I was
Mr. Adele
laughing
like?
at Rachel because whenever he looked at her and didn't let her in, Rachel's face was like. I started like bursting out laughing, and then he gave me a dab.
Why is Mr. Adele simultaneously like? Why is he the least threatening of all the teachers? Like he could
Okay.
like
So the
yell
most
at us,
inconvenient.
and I'm just like,
Anyways.
okay.
You guys done with that?
Yeah.
You agree, Bethany? Do you see where that from?
Yeah.
This, except
That's
for.
not right then.
Okay, number 9.
The one thing I can get.
This is what I was trying to do earlier. Write a vector equation for the line. So the vector equation is what they wrote on the first line. Line L has an equation x, y is equals 0, negative 1, 6, plus t, 4, negative 1, negative 3. That's a vector equation. Back when we did this assignment, I didn't really have you guys write this part, the x, y, z. Not that important, no.
Vector.
But on B, or on A, it says that the line is supposed to go through 217. So 217 you can use as like your starting point. Whoops. And then the other part is basically your directional. Like where are we moving from there? Do you guys remember doing this? It wasn't that long ago. It says, really, you don't remember? I think we might have only done this one in 2 dimensions. Did we do these only in 2 dimensions?
I think so.
Yeah, because we only had like x equals and y equals and not z equals. But it doesn't, it's all the same. So this guy over here kind of tells you what direction you're going. And if it's supposed to be parallel to that first vector that they gave us, then we're basically going to steal its directional part. So that would be number 9A.
This might have been the lesson that I missed.
Maybe, I don't know. Do you remember writing like 3, 4 plus t, negative 1, 2,
Yeah.
stuff like that? Then on the next line right after that, we'd write 3 plus negative t, or x equals 3 minus t, and y equals 4 plus 2t.
Wait, what do you do with the 0, negative 1, and 6?
0, negative 1, 6. Where are you looking?
Number 9? Right?
0. Oh, well, they were just giving us. We're not going to do anything with it. They were giving us a vector to start with, and then they're saying that the new vector that we're making is supposed to be parallel to that vector. So I just stole the directional part of that vector, but not the like starting point.
So 0, 1, 6, or negative 1, 6 was the starting point?
Yeah.
How do you know that 2, 1, 7 is the starting point?
Because it says it on 9A. To use it, that it's got to go through that point, so I just choose that as like. Okay. B is surely write the parametric equations, right? No, it doesn't say that. Where does line L? Did we do this? Yeah, 5 had the parametric stuff. We did it on Thursday. Where does line L intersect the XZ plane? Oh gosh, you have to do. The XZ plane, okay, here we go. You guys remember what this coordinate was called?
X, Y, Z.
And then, so what do you think the XZ plane would be like?
That one.
Oh no.
This guy over here.
Triangle.
What?
Like, I know that's gonna be made into a triangle somehow, so.
What are you talking about?
He said, he looked at it and he goes, oh no, triangle.
No, listen. It will be made into a triangle, I guarantee it.
It's time for me to retire.
I wouldn't guarantee that.
But if you have something crazy part, sky comet, that's like the quick one.
Why does Brady just like
So,
Take a dive in IQ.
Okay.
Comes to the best
we didn't do one of these, but that's okay.
Dude.
What do we know about the y coordinates on this plane?
It doesn't have any.
it's 0?
It's 0. So basically, we need the y value to be 0. So
I'm gonna
it's,
throw something at your face.
you know how we made the parametric equations like y equals 1 minus
Yeah.
t? So we just need that to equal 0. So what would t have to be to make it
One.
1? So t equals 1.
When did we do that equation? Y equals 1 minus 2.
It's like the parametric equations, like on number 5b or whatever. Where remember when we did like 2 plus 4t? X equals 2 plus 4t. Remember doing that? And y equals 1 minus 1t. That's a parametric
It
equation.
looks like 4A on your list.
So on this one, it's y equals 1 minus t, and we want the y value to be 0, so t would have to be 1. So that's where it would. And usually,
Wait, why did we use the y value? I'm sorry.
because for this plane, what this plane has, any point on this plane has a y value of 0. Because here's the y-axis out here. So this, anything, on this flat surface has a y value of 0.
How would I know that it's y without using the picture?
Well, that's why I drew it.
Oh.
There's kind of a trick. They call this the XZ plane. So the y has to be 0. I'm not probably going to put that one on the test, but let's go somewhere else. Okay, that was 9.
Last one.
10. Find an equation of the plane that is tangent to the sphere with equation.
No. I solved the math, guys.
Just say no.
Just saying no.
Equation of the plane that is tangent to the sphere with equation blah 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 at the point 2 3 2. Who's just gonna help Bethany?
At 30.
Actually, you're gonna help Bethany.
Yeah.
Do you not love me? Is that why?
Yeah, basically.
I'd say
I
that
love
he's
this math.
She's
Hey,
a
Mr.
terrible
Gordon,
friend.
At 30, I gotta go. Just
Yeah.
let you know.
Okay. That'll be okay.
Yeah, I actually have to.
It'll be alright.
I actually have somewhere to be and I have to leave in 4 minutes.
Oh, thanks for coming in clutch and studying all that.
Oh yeah, anytime.
I was like, yeah, we're not gonna.
I'm like one of the only people who can, get a good thought out of the
I'm a
brain.
little surprised that she didn't get on me for being late, though. Like, even, I mean, I know I'm on crutches, but
Yeah.
like, I was.
Oh, you're welcome for lunch,
It was
by the
funny
way.
when she thought the phone was.
I got a soda.
Oh, yeah.
She got the
Well,
phone
if it-
started ringing and she
if it was
goes,
a